Sullivan Khan, I'm Project Manager for Mace Regardos, and today we're here at Curzon Street Station in Birmingham. Today here we're working on the viaducts which span and support 7 platforms. Behind us today we're overlooking the installation of the viaduct U-beams. The large majority of these will be installed by crawler crane. However, up to 120 of those will be installed using specialist equipment called Self-Propelled Modular Transporters, or SPMTs. The SPMTs are highly manoeuvrable pieces of machinery which allow us to lift the U-beams from the underside and place them into position accurately. We're using SPMTs for the installation of the viaduct bays closest to the live railway line. This avoids the risk of using large crawler cranes in close proximity to the live railway, and it avoids the need of nighttime working and keeps services open into Birmingham New Street while we work in the day. Ultimately, it's a much more productive and safer way of working. So after installing the 2,000 plus piles here at Curzon Street Station, we worked on the pile caps. From there, the piers, the diaphragm beams, and now landing the viaduct U-beams. From there, we can pour the deck slab and the platform sit on top of that. So currently we're working on the superstructure in the middle of the site, where the viaduct spans over the Midland Metro tram route. This enables us to hand over this portion of the site to the tramworks sooner. From there we'll work on the viaducts to the west. So I've been working on the project for almost 3 years now. I started with working on the piling and now moving up out the ground into the superstructure. It's a significant milestone, and now we can see the station shape